So it was good, y'all. My early video, for some reason, Facebook was tripping. My music was playing, and it said I had the copyrights to it. So get y'all this video of me actually whipping up things. So hold on. Got my broccoli on. Got my rice going. The macaroni's in the oven. So now we're about to cook our salmon. Let me get a little high, a little more. Macaroni is actually about done. But yeah, man, whipping up, taking these plates to my job. A couple of people at my job told them I'd let them try some of the food because they didn't have my desserts. They done fell in love with desserts. They don't know I'm versatile. I can do both. So I'm letting them try the food I actually make and let y'all know how everything turned. I'm gonna try to get some videos of people, actually eating. I'm gonna try to, but yeah, I'm doing salmon. I'm gonna do some type of sauce on it and broccoli, garlic and herb broccoli with the mac. You know what I'm saying? That Goldie Mac. You dig? Yeah, man. Like I said, I'm gonna start selling plates for real. Y'all definitely tap in with me. Let me know what y'all want me to cook for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do a poll as well on my story and on Facebook itself as a post. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see your boy whip up, cause I can whip up anything. That ain't me being arrogant. I just know I can do any and everything now. Like, that's just confidence in yourself. You feel me? Which you gotta have. But by the way, From the South with Love, my new project will be dropping July 9th on all streaming services. My single Young Barry White, or Young Barry, will be dropping next Friday, June 4th. Y'all be on the lookout for that. Hey man, we bring y'all number bangers this year. Food and in the music. Macaroni should be about done. We'll give it about 5 more minutes. We're gonna let this salmon whip up. But y'all talk to me, man. You know what I'm saying? What's going on with y'all? You know what I'm saying? Anybody that's watching, what's going on with y'all? How y'all living? How's everything going for you? How your Sunday going? You feel me? How's Sunday? You know, we in here whipping up early, trying to get ready before I go to work, trying to get some type of sleep. But right now, we doing the whip up thing. But y'all talk to you, boy. What y'all got going on? What y'all want to know about me? What y'all want? You know what I'm saying? Y'all talk to you, boy. Communicate with me. I'll communicate back. I know sometimes I look scary, but do I look mean and angry? Nah. I'm one of the nicest people you'll meet till you push me to that point. But yeah, man, y'all talk to you, boy. What y'all want to know? So I'm gonna let that salmon really brown up. Check this macaroni right quick. That's that Goldie Mac. We're gonna let it finish off a little bit. You gotta see it dripping, dipped in butter like my OG say. Let that finish cooking off a little bit. broccoli steaming. This piece. But yeah, man. The purpose of, I'm gonna let y'all kind of know, you know, behind the scenes of the project, how it kind of came about. So, if you don't know me, I love Southern music. You know, I love Southern cooking. So, a lot of times people show that Southern hospitality, which is love. Wanted to bring it into the music. So, you got From the South of Love, which, you know what I'm saying, me showing love, but you kind of hearing aggression in it as well, because people sleep on the South. Like, people really believe that North Carolina is not the South. And when they taught us in school, it actually is a part of the South. But it's just, you know what I'm saying, I had to bring that love, but also let them know what it is. You know, I got skills as well. But yeah, man, the boy in here whipping up. Now I'm using one of my favorite rices, which is jasmine rice. I love jasmine rice. I like the texture, the taste of it. Like, it has this, I can't really put the taste to it, but it's one of my favorites. And I'm gonna add some chicken stock into it, give it that, you know, that flavor without actually putting chicken in it. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all this Goldie Mac, because it's pretty much done. So that's done. We're waiting on the salmon, the broccoli, and the rice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna post the final video. It's not gonna be a live, but it's a final video of everything plated and everything. Thank y'all for tuning in. Whoever tuned in, rocking with your boy. Like I said, let me know what y'all want me to cook. Tap in with your boy. I'll whip anything up. Y'all be easy. Peace.